Have you ever wondered what your old black and white photos would look like in full color? Well, today we're going to show you an incredible AI-powered app that could do just that, effortlessly bringing your memories to life. Let's get started. To begin, open the App Store and search for an application called Photo Colorizer AI. This app is completely free to download, so go ahead and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app and you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. Now, to start the colorization process, tap on the icon in the bottom left corner. This will allow you to select a black and white image from your gallery. Choose the photo you'd like to transform, and once you've made your selection, simply tap the Colorize button located in the center of the screen. At this point, the AI will work its magic, analyzing the image and intelligently applying colors where they naturally belong. The process usually takes just a few moments, and once it's finished, you'll see your photo beautifully restored in color. If you're happy with the results, you can save the newly colorized image by tapping the download icon in the bottom right corner. The image will then be stored directly in your gallery, ready to be shared or preserved. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.